Welcome to Autobike Pro. Today, we're stepping back in time to revisit a true off-road icon, the Old Mahindra Jeep. Known for its unbeatable durability and raw utility, this legendary vehicle helped shape India's early automotive landscape, especially in rural and rugged terrains. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a workhorse, a soldier, and a companion on untamed roads. Military roots and Indian legacy. The original Mahindra Jeep traces its roots back to World War II when Mahindra and Mahindra began assembling Willys Jeeps under license in the 1950s. Over the decades, it transformed into a symbol of strength and reliability in India. Whether it was army operations, farm use, or police patrolling, the Mahindra Jeep became an integral part of Indian utility life. Design and build. Simple, sturdy, and iconic, the design of the Mahindra Jeep was all about function over form. It featured a boxy body, open-top layout, round headlamps, and a high ground clearance. Its short wheelbase and rugged steel frame made it ideal for navigating rough roads, rocky trails, and muddy fields without breaking a sweat. Engine and performance. The early Mahindra Jeeps were powered by reliable petrol engines and later evolved with diesel variants that offered better torque and fuel efficiency. While not built for speed, these Jeeps were masters of low-end grunt, making them ideal for pulling heavy loads or climbing steep paths. The 4x4 drivetrain in many versions gave it real off-road prowess. Rural dependence and trust. From farmers and forest rangers to government officials in remote regions, the Mahindra Jeep earned the trust of those who needed a dependable machine. It could carry people, goods, and even livestock across terrains where regular vehicles couldn't dream of going. Its simplicity also made it easy to repair with basic tools, a big advantage in remote areas. Legacy and revival. Though the classic Mahindra Jeep ceased production years ago, its spirit lives on in modern models like the Mahindra Thar. Yet, the old Jeep still holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors. Many vintage versions are restored and displayed at automobile events, keeping the rugged legacy alive. Conclusion. The old Mahindra Jeep was more than just transportation, it was a symbol of reliability, simplicity, and strength in real-world conditions. Its contribution to India's automotive and rural history is unmatched. For more stories on legendary vehicles, stay connected with Autobike Pro.